to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for July 24, 2023. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, the sun rises at 5:37 a.m. Central Daylight Time, followed by sunset at 8:17 p.m. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky. An hour before sunrise, bright Jupiter is halfway up in the east-southeast. It is slowly moving eastward in front of Aries, 12.2 degrees below Hamel, the pattern's brightest star, and 11.5 degrees to the upper left of Menkar, Cetus Nostral. Look for the Pleiades star cluster, over 18 degrees to the lower left of the Jovian giant. Use a binocular to see the individual stars in the stellar bundle. At 5:09 a.m. CDT, Jupiter's Great Red Spot is visible through a telescope at the center of the planet in the southern hemisphere. This is about 30 minutes before daybreak in Chicago. The long-lived atmospheric disturbance is visible at this level of twilight, but the appearance occurs in a darker sky for sky watchers at more westerly locales. During morning twilight, Saturn is 35 degrees above the south-southwest horizon. It is noticeably dimmer than Jupiter, but the ringed wonder is nearly twice as far away as the Jovian giant. This reduces Saturn's brightness compared to Jupiter by 1/4. Both planets reflect 34% of the sunlight that reaches them. Less sunlight reaches Saturn, and the return reflected light makes Jupiter nearly 20 times brighter than the more distant ringed world. Saturn is retrograding in front of Aquarius dim stars, 7.2 degrees to the upper right of Skate and 5.9 degrees to the lower right of Lambda Aquarii. See the article for detailed sky charts showing the planets and moon with the stars. Use a binocular to see the dimmer star field. Look for Saturn's place compared to the reference stars each morning to see the planet's western change. In the evening sky. Brilliant Venus is quickly leaving the evening sky. It can be spotted shining through the western evening twilight soon after nightfall. It sets less than an hour after sundown and before nautical twilight, when the sun is 12 degrees below the horizon. At this twilight phase, the horizon can still be distinguished. At 35 minutes after sundown, Venus is less than 5 degrees above the western horizon. With a binocular, find Mercury 6.3 degrees to Venus upper right and possibly Regulus, 4.7 degrees above the evening star. Venus is overtaking our planet, passing by on August 13th. Then it quickly moves into the morning sky for an appearance that lasts through spring of 2024. Mercury passes Venus in 3 nights during bright twilight. A binocular is needed to see the conjunction. Mars is a challenge to see, 11.3 degrees to Venus upper left. First, the planet is dimmer, fainter than might be expected. Second, the sky has no bright reference star or planet nearby. By an hour after sunset, Mars is less than 10 degrees above the western horizon, setting about 50 minutes later. A binocular is still needed to locate it. This evening, an hour after sundown, the crescent moon, 42% illuminated, is over 20 degrees up in the southwest, 2.6 degrees to the upper right of Spica, Virgo's brightest star, meaning the ear of corn. The moon is at its evening half phase, first quarter, tomorrow at 5:07 p.m. CDT. Spica is the 10th brightest star visible from the mid-northern latitudes. The star is 250 light-years away and shines with the brightness of nearly 2,000 suns. Saturn rises about 15 minutes before Mars sets. By 3 hours after nightfall, the ringed wonder is nearly 15 degrees up in the east-southeast. From Earth's rotation, it appears in the south-southwest tomorrow morning. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.